Okay guys, here's the build video of a 5-inch lightweight AeroRing. The lightweight AeroRing's designed for smaller motors. It's got a smaller profile and weighs like 70 grams or something like that. Number one, first thing you want to do is don't forget your Velcro strap. Make sure you put it in the right way. The next part you don't want to miss, and I've done this off video, is what are we using here? Some little EMAX Eco II, so I think the 1500 kV 6S. I've had to take the heat shrink off here. Everything's pretty tight on the frame. Like we'll just put in the front motor first. So you basically grab the wires and push them in and pull them through. Drop in the motor. That motor's dropped in. I'll grab the right sized screw and pop it in. This is going to be a real fast, dirty build video, guys. So these drones are really designed for people who have been flying for a long time and who want to go that sort of next level. Normally I'm looking through a magnifying glass doing this, so it's taking me a little bit longer, but okay, that's the 4 motors in. Done. They spin around, everything's good, they sound nice. Now I'm going to grab these wires and just push them out the way so I can get this next bit sorted. Fold them over and just squeeze them over the side of the pod, the main pod here. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm using a GoPro. We're just gonna throw this in and solder it up. So you can see that this is a 405 Mini Speedybee. Leave a nice big length on here and push them through the hole. Now you can put a piece of foam under here and kind of band it up so it's easier to solder. And normally I would cut these wires just to make it a little bit neater. There is a couple of dangers that I'll talk about in a second, but it's pretty simple. Now soldering, I'm not sure how you're going to see this because I'm going to use a magnifying glass. Let's just have a look here. Yeah, I can do that. That works. Okay, heat up my little iron here, which is a battery operated wee iron, nothing fancy. I'm gonna use some tweezers. This iron takes about 10 seconds to heat up. Tin the iron, grab one of the wires, and now this is where I think my head's going to be in the way. I'm going to have to stand up. It makes it difficult for me to solder without, well anyway, you know how to solder. Let's have a look here. Motor 1, wire 1. Sitting in here, and this is front. I'm going to just pull these out the way, make sure that I've got them. Yeah, that's right. Push it down, and now already see these look like they're for 3mm holes, and I've got 2 M2s here, but let's have a look. How is this going to work? Yeah, that'll do. Two. Sorry if it seems rushed. I mean, I get you guys want to see a build video and backlogs and all that. I mean, for me, it's like, well, how do you build it? Well, it's probably the easiest drone in the world to build, literally. there. So it's on. Here's the flight controller. We're gonna plug it in. That's plugged in. We're gonna push it down here and line up the holes. I can't see. Okay, that's done. Well, it's not very good, is it? Nah, it's not. If you're doing this, put a cap in there. Okay, that looks good. As you can probably see, hopefully. Let's have a look at the camera, make sure it's... Yeah, okay, that's done. And we're going to plug in a battery. You want to try and get them, of course, so they're level. Don't forget the Speedybee, it's got a Speedybee app. It uses Bluetooth, so that makes it nice for changing settings. They're a bit, still a little bit loose for my liking. Go a bit more. This is going to be the fastest build ever. I just seen Joshua Baldwell's got about 10 videos. Mind you, he's much more thorough than Simon here. But you get the idea. There it is. So these wires are probably going to be in the way. In this case, I mean, we can just to push them down here, so it goes under the locking mechanism. Okay, so they're all pushed away. We're gonna grab our canopy, and we don't really care how this goes in because it's, as you can see, oh, where's all your FPV? Where's your cap? Where's the... Mate, I'm showing you how to build the drone. You can basically figure out how to put the FPV in. Oh, I'll make another video if you guys want to see another video. I'm happy to make a video. So it basically pops in like I can't see here, and then twist. That's basically our drone. Let's chuck some props on. Frames cost me $1.50. The motors were 60 Australian dollars, and the flight controller was like 60 bucks. So you're looking at about $120 minus the battery. Clockwise, anti. It's configured as a plus, which is important. And let's quickly take it outside. I think it's raining still, but
welcome to OpenTX. Engine off. Erratic RC flying left.
whether you noticed or not, I must have forgot to do one in my hurry. Anyway, it's around here somewhere.
Erratic RC flying left. Engine off.
What's funny is I didn't even charge the battery. Anyway, that's how you build the ring. I'm guessing you guys will want a video on how you attach the DJI 04 canopy. Okay, that's enough for me. This is a lightweight line of sight 5-inch with the two 203.5 motors, R2D2 canopy. Haven't flown line of sight for about a year, but I've been doing it for about 20. You'd expect me to be pretty good, wouldn't you?
Well, if you keep it close.
I'm getting better. It's been a long time. Oh, here we go, I feel better now. Let's go full throttle roll. 3, 2. Go right. Go left. Back roll.
Tommy on the beat.